Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to art Jahirul name, and this is a requested video from our subscriber. So don't skip this tutorial and subscribe this channel for more videos, and comment below what art I will do in the next video. Today I will art Jahirul name word step by step. If you want to learn this English, please don't skip this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Arts YouTube channel. Don't forget to join our official Facebook group. If you want to get support from us, you have to join in this group. Our Facebook group name is 5-Minute Arts Official Group, or check link in the description. Thank you.